Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, and system board. Removal. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink from the system board. Replacement. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Align the mounting screws on the heatsink with the standoffs on the system board and position the heatsink over the processor. Tighten the 4 captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order.